coming off the tub.
Yeah, eh?
And it was painted for a movie.
Okay.
And I reported to them, and they wouldn't really do anything. Said, no.
Really, eh?
Not in bad shape, so we're not going to do nothing. And I said, well, my feet are split, right?
Yeah.
Back here, all the back of my heels are blue.
Okay, yeah, yeah.
Blue on them.
Really?
Yeah. Because I have diabetes, my skin's cracked.
Okay, yeah, yeah.
And they wouldn't do anything about it. And I said, well, they signed the paper saying they wouldn't do it, so I thought, it's their problem, it's their fault now, not mine.
That's it.
God knows what's going to come out out of it. Like, these buildings are 70 years old.
Yeah.
Well, this building is, well, I think, was built 7 years before I was born.
Really, eh?
They don't go down very far.
This is going to go down 35 feet.
Yeah. Down 20 or something, right? So, really need to dog out.
That's the spot right there. Yeah.
Something up there? 30 now, right? You turn the water on, and once you turn any pressure on the tub,
yeah,
it starts squirting out the top.
Really? Eh?
Yeah. Spraying hot water.
That's crazy.
That's why I got the thing on there so it doesn't do it. I can just put the hose down and it goes into the tub.
Oh, okay, yeah, yeah.
And not once you're in the tub and you get scalded by hot water.
Yeah, that's one thing you definitely don't want to have, eh?
Going down?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, the cat's going down right there. I spray this once a week down here and here when I'm cleaning.
That's good, yeah.
Get all that crap and it goes down there.
Yeah.
But you can see it comes up the tub.
Yep.
You get past it?
What's that?
Did you get past it? Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I was going to say it's happened to me twice before. Oh, jeez. What do you got?
A little bit of hair, but...
Yeah. Well, that's not for me.
Nah.
Well, there's hair on me that long, but it's on in my armpit shoes.
Alright.
That was the hair clog. So where did that come from?
That could have been from anywhere, right?
Nobody's been here with long hair.
No, but it could have. That could have, like, with how far I went, I was in the stack, the main stack.
Oh well, that's yeah.
So that could have came from there, right?
Yeah.
So, yeah, everything's looking good now. So how do you?
Oh, okay.
Can I turn on any of this?
Turn on how? Okay. What do you want to do? Hot or cold?
Just cold. I want to just give this a little rinse where I had some overspray.
Take the okay. Pull that one out of there. First of all.
This here?
Yeah. Pull that one out. It'll come on. Yeah. And.
So it's gonna spray like that.
Yeah, but you have to turn that one on first. There.
On?
Yeah. Now turn the cold water on. And then pull that up, and it should. There you go. I mean, that goes great for cleaning his bathroom too. That would just slip it.
Yeah, that's good, eh?
Just remembering to hang on to it, right? Not let it go.
Yes.
Like a snake. But I give it to the girl. I mean, she's gonna be condescending, right?
Oh, really, eh?
Yeah. And I told her, I said, well, this is on you. I told her you would have did your job when you came in the morning, we wouldn't have the problem.
Yeah.
And, because that's on right to the board now. Wiley?
How long have you had him for?
I've only had him 2 years.
Yeah, eh? Where'd you get him from? If you don't mind me asking, just...
Someone gave him to a friend
Okay.
who had him for 5 years and never ever bonded with him. Just kept him in the cage.
Really?
And if you don't bond with those birds,
Yeah.
they'll hate you, right? They'll bite. He couldn't even put his hands in the cage. He had big, thick gloves.
Really?
Yeah. And I broke him of it. And now, if I pick him up, he
Yeah.
wants a kiss.
He's your best friend now, eh?
Yeah. He keeps saying, kiss me. He's something else, but the bathroom is his room. Or the kitchen. Where do you want, Bert? You want to see, do you, huh? Oh, I know that look, yeah. I know that look, huh? See, he's got to see everything going on.
Can I grab him on the camera?
Oh, yeah. Look, say hello. You say hello, huh? Cuckoo. What? What? The bathroom's all fixed, yeah. He shivers, huh?
Yeah.
He's a good boo, huh? What, huh? Well, okay. Yeah.
Very cool.
He likes to be up hard in it.
Yeah, that's understandable,
He has
eh?
to be up where you can see.
Yeah.
But all this stuff, he scares him. Huh?
Well, it's all new, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, he's here. There you go. He's hanging on the thumb. Huh? Huh? Hey? He loves dogs.
Yeah?
And he torments the shit out of him. Ow! Ow! You're, hey! You're just squeezing too tight. And he can break your finger, right?
With his claws?
With his beak.
Oh, sorry.
He's got the pressure of 2 Rottweilers in that beak.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Huh?
That's crazy.
You want to come up? Huh? Huh? You know? All of a sudden it starts to get warm in here. I just won't close off the balcony because it's direct sun. And he doesn't do direct sun either.
Really, eh?
The heat, he loves.
But the sun, no.
I take him out there and I get a little steamer for doing clothes.
Okay, yeah.
I steam him with that and he loves it.
Really?
What? What'd you say? He's talking away. See? What? Kiss you.
That's cool.
He's learned that he knew nothing. He hardly, well, he'd speak, right?
Yeah.
He'd screech out in the middle of the night.
Oh, really, eh?
With him. Right? And say, it's okay, wake him up, tell him it's okay.
Yeah.
You're hurting me. There you go, fella.
Well, that's very cool, my friend. Very cool.
I've turned him into a beautiful bird. He's bonded with 2 other people.
Yeah, eh?
Yeah. My best friend comes over and another friend comes over and he